What is lead conversion squared system? It is a skill testing and online training course and a platform designed to help you increase leads and conversion. The training course will be focused on how to generate those leads through ads, calls, and other methods, then showing you to nurture and grow those leads through your funnels, turning them into actual buyers. There is also a 3-day workshop that will happen on the 28th of September. Sign up, link in the description. This workshop is going to cover how to generate a stream of new leads, how to find your ideal client, and how to attract them with the perfect message, how to build and improve your funnel to increase conversion. So the workshop will give you the knowledge you need using existing tools and solutions out there. LCH2 also sounds like they will be releasing a software as a business in a box style solution, allowing you to run a fully automated lead generation process. So how will the lead conversion system work? Currently it is unknown how LCH2 will actually work, and nothing is known about how the LCH2 software is going to work or function. From the limited information that has been released so far, we know that it will be an automated lead generation software designed to help you take full traffic from start to finish, as well as helping you increase conversion rates and of course commission. I'm also aware that it may contain a virtual assistant piece of kit that could also be run to keep the leads growing in every single month. Who created the lead conversion squared system? The lead conversion squared system is an amalgamation of Devon Michaels and Chad Nice. Devon is a GUI who is big on virtual assistant outsourcing jobs and introducing others who can do the tasks you don't want to. Chad is the guy behind the software and possibly a lot of automation that comes with LCH2, having released a number of apps and software in the past on sites such as GBJO and ClickBank, especially those that focus on the lead generation market. When will the lead conversion squared system launch? Currently, the only date that has been released is 28 September. This is when the first of the 3 online masterclasses will launch. 2 more will then follow on the 29 and 30 September. Again, these are designed to help you increase your conversion rates and learn new ways to generating leads. It will of course introduce you to LCH2 and the lead conversion squared system. What will the lead conversion squared cost? Currently, this is not known as the price have not been released yet. As more information is released, this LCH2 review will get an update.